Welcome to Math World. Today let us learn about angles. Consider two rays AB and AC. The starting point, which is also called as the initial point or the end point of these two rays, are A. When the rays AB and AC meet at their end points, we get an angle. Thus, an angle is made up of two rays starting from a common initial point. Rays AB and AC are the arms or sides of this angle. The common endpoint of the rays AB and AC is A, and hence A is called the vertex of this angle. We name this angle as angle BAC or angle CAB or angle A. Here you can notice that in specifying the angle, the vertex is always written as the middle letter. Now let us do a few examples. Example 1. Name the given angle. The given angle can be named as angle PQR or angle RQP or angle Q. Example 2. Name the vertex and sides that form each angle. Vertex is the meeting point of the two arms or sides of the angle. Here, ray DE and ray DF are the arms of the angle EDF, and their meeting point is D. Hence, D is the vertex of the angle EDF. And the sides of the angle EDF are ray DE and ray DF. For the second angle RPQ, the vertex is P and the sides are ray PR and ray PQ. Measuring angles. Angles are measured in degrees and denoted by this symbol. We write angles as 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree and so on, and we measure an angle using a protractor. Next we will learn about types of angles. Zero angle. An angle with a measure of 0 degrees is called a zero angle. Consider the angle CAB. Ray AC and ray AB are the two arms or sides of this angle. If ray AC is exactly on ray AB, then the angle is 0 degree. It is called the zero angle. Right angle. An angle whose measure is exactly 90 degree is called a right angle. Acute angle. An angle whose measure is less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree is called an obtuse angle. Straight angle. An angle whose measure is exactly 180 degree is called a straight angle. Here, angle CAB is an acute angle. If C is exactly on the opposite side of B with vertex A in the middle, then the angle is 180 degree. It is called the straight angle. Reflex angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is called a reflex angle. Complete angle. An angle whose measure is exactly 360 degree is called a complete angle. Hope you understood about angles and types of angles. Try to do the practice problems and check it with the given answers.